general form 1.23 into 10 power of minus 1. So we can write it 1.23 negative power, we can write it as a positive divide by 10. 1.23 divided by 10 is 0.123. Or we can write the answer in another way also. Here we have to move the decimal one time backwards because it is negative. So earlier the number is 1.23. When we move it into one time, it goes front of 1. So here it is between 1 and 2. When we move one time, it is 0.123. And the other one, 2.73. 10 to the power minus 2 means making into positive index, it become 10 to the power 2 means 100. When we divide 2.73 by 100, answer is 0.0273. Here also same way I can explain. Here 10 to the power minus 2. So we can move the decimal twice. At first it is between 2 and 7. Then moving the twice 1, 2. Then it becomes 0.0273. Next 5.02. So 5.02 making into positive, it becomes 10 to the power 3. That means 1000. Divide by 1000 means moving the decimal 3 times. So 0.00502. Now I will explain that in other way also. The number is between 5 and 0. The decimal is between 5 and 0. We must move the decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 0.00502. And here then we can say at once 0.006721. How did I take that? Look here. Here minus 3. Then it become 2 zeros. Here minus 2. Then it become 1 zero. Here minus 1. So it become nothing. No zeros. Minus 1 no zeros. Minus 2 1 0. Minus 3 means 2 0. Minus 3 means then it should be 2 zeros. The last one is minus 2. Then how many zeros it will be? 1 zero. Yes. So 0.10070007. You can't change the question. The question is 7007 6721. You can't change. You have to change the decimal and the numbers between the given whole number and the decimal. Now rounding off to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Our first number is 1227. So to round off, actually rounding off means we have to check what is closer, which number it is closer. When we consider round off nearest 10, we have 1227. 27. 7 is closer. 20. 27 means the numbers are 1220 and 1230. This number is between 1220 and 1230. In which number it is closer? Yes, it is closer to 30. That means 1230 is the answer. It is closer to 1230. And 1230, it is closer. If we consider 5732 That means it is between 5730 and 5740. What is it closer, 30 or 40? It is closer to 30. 5730. And when we consider this one, 3625 is between 3620 and 3630. In which number it is closer? It is halfway of that. So we have to take the highest one, 1630. 3630 is the answer. Then 7138. It is closer 7130 and 7140. In which number, 30 or 40 close? 40 it is closer. So answer is 7140. So like that way, when we consider 15,357, it is 15,360. And here 16,251, 50 or 60? 50 closer, so 16,250. Here 99 means closer to, yes, it is 1,200. And here 8, so it is closer to 0 or 10. 10 it is closer, so 2,110. I am going to explain it in another way also. If it is nearest 10, we have to take the last digit. Consider the last digit. And check whether it is 5 or more. Here 5 or more, more than 5, less than 5. This is 5, more than 5, more than 5, less than 5, more than 5, more than 5. If the number is more than 5, we must add 1 to the previous number. This is the number more than 5, so neglect the last digit. It is 122. More than 5 means we must add 1, then it becomes 123. 123 and the last digit will be 0. Here this is less than, so 573 can't change because it is not more, less. So 573 and the last digit becomes 0. Here 5, so if it is 5 or more, we must add. This is 5, so we have to add 1. Then 363 it becomes 363 and the last digit becomes 0 because rounding off to the 10. So last digit 8 change in 1714 and last digit 0. Last digit 7 more than, so 1536. Last digit 0. Last digit 1, no change, 1625 and last digit 0. I think you can understand. And now rounding off 100 also same way then. Here we have to consider the from the back second number. From the back second number, I will underline that. Then here also we have to consider whether it is more or less. Less than. So no change. No change the previous number. It is 12. No change. No change. 12 and put 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros, so we have to put. Here no change, 57, 2 zeros. Less than, so not change 36, 2 zeros. Less than, so no change 71, 2 zeros. Here changing because it is 5, so if we change 154, 154 and 2 zeros. Here change because 5, so 163 become 163 and 2 zeros. Here 9 more than 5, so changing 11 become 12. It is become 12 and 2 zeros. And the last one then, 0, no change, 21, 2 zeros. 2 double zeros. Now we are going to round off to the 1000. For that, we have to consider the third digit. Look at the third digit of the number. It is 27613. So I will underline it. 276132111. Here also we have to consider the last digit if it is 5 or more, and same thing we must do. So can you tell me? 2, no change, 1000. 7, changing, 6, 6000. 6, changing, become 4, 4000. 1, no change, 7000. 3, no change, 15,000. 2, no change, 16,000. 1, no change, 1,000. Here 1, no change, it is 2,000. And we can consider in other way also. 1227. 1227 is between 1000 and 2000. Which number it is close? It is closer to 1000. So it is 5732 means it is between 5000 and 6000. So which number it is closer? 5000 or 6000? It is closer to 6000. And 3625, it is 3000 and 4000 between, so it is closer to 4000. 7138, so it is close between 7000 and 8000, so it is closer to 7000. 15,357, it is between 15,000 and 16,000, but it is closer to 15,000. 16,251, it is between 16,000 and 17,000, but closer to 16,000. 1,199, it is between 1000 and 2000, but it is closer to 1000. And 2108, between 2000 and 3000, closer to 2000.